everyone, Abigail DH here, and today I'm doing a slightly different video. Where I used to do Minecraft videos, well, my other phone stopped working and stuff, so I couldn't do any more videos on that. But one of my friends found this new game called Mini World, which we now play. And we're going to be playing a parkour map that me and one of my friends played, and I'm not alone.
Sup, people?
This is Aqua Cat, also known as Aqua Free Kitty, and also known as Yuki the Dragon, Ali the Golden Heart.
Yee. She didn't even know it was me on the first generation of Minecraft videos.
Anyway,
Ready?
after I get into normal view,
We'll go to
we'll
rules
start off
first.
oh, okay.
Only fly if raging or if you're hit a checkpoint and flying up to it. No cheating, no pushing each other off, no breaking blocks. Akukat and Abigail DH are the admins. If you need help, ask one of them. So this is when the server is up. These are the checkpoint blocks here, so you can fly up to them. Good luck, and morning you may rage. Abigail.
Meanie.
I'm not a meanie, it's true. Everyone could admit it.
Each time there's a checkpoint, it'll switch who built it. I started off with the Rainbow Road.
I fell and jumped off of the block I landed on. And I hate this. Why did you have to make this bit so annoying? It may look easy, but trust me, I can't do these ladder jumps.
Damn, I overjumped.
I also may cheat. That's something I will probably do.
And we don't have the rule that I used to do in doing other people's parkour maps.
Yes! I'm up on the ladder and you're not.
Actually, I got above the ladder first time.
I hate this. You cannot see me. You cannot see me. You cannot see me.
What happened?
You can't see me. I totally didn't fly up to the red block.
You did, didn't you?
Totally not. What are you talking about? Have some faith in me.
If you're gonna do it, I'm doing it as well because I did make it. I made it first try, but then I failed on the green.
This is why I don't like doing parkour, but I like parkour at the same time. I ever jumped it. Oh, I'm on the green block. I don't mind continuing from there.
No!
Yeah. No, the ladder jumps are like impossible for me. After we record this, we're probably gonna record a thingamajiggy.
I walked straight off.
I totally didn't fly up to the blue one.
If you guys have any suggestions for what I could do for an intro, like ones with like music and pictures and stuff like that, could you guys please leave some suggestions in the comments?
We're just doing a little plug-in. I don't care what you say. I'm flying past the yellow one. I can never do the yellow one.
I'm gonna make the purple the new checkpoint for me.
Purple.
Because I just walked straight past it.
No. I swear ladder jumps are impossible. I've only done the ladder ones like once or twice.
Oh, and guys, I also have some pre-recorded videos that will be coming out later this week.
Woo.
And also next week.
She's been doing a lot of art stuff, but has been ignoring YouTube. Am I going to be the first one to get to the checkpoint? Yes.
You're the one who actually was the first person to cheat. I'm skipping orange. I cannot do orange.
You know, heard nothing. You heard nothing.
Ew.
You heard nothing. If you look from my screen, you can see the little honey fountain. Yay.
This girl has an obsession with honey.
I don't care what you say. Honey fountains are life. And in fact, why not? Why not? Why not?
Oh, Mary.
Why not? Why not?
Why do I keep on over jumping this?
Why not? Why not?
Oh my Irene, what did you do?
I placed down some honey. Nothing too much.
You're ruining the map.
Yeah.
That technically counts as a checkpoint, by the way.
I know. I fit it and I'm waiting for you, but I put down honey. I am the queen of bees. This next bit I did, and compared to the rainbow comparison, yeah.
I'll get the day
Oh,
and night
it's
and
even
the
raining.
fireworks.
It's even raining. It just shows how depressing this level is. So depressing.
The only thing that's depressing about it is the colours.
No, go to the blue. I bet you I can beat you on this map just by speedrunning it. If I actually jump. No salt there.
Warning, there may be raging in this video.
I put a warning in the rules. No, I am flying up to this tightrope because I don't care what you say. I hate these things.
Wait, it's not showing the...
No.
Oh, the thing that shows I'm recording just moved to the corner
Probably because you dragged it.
by accident.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for you by the jump that I made that you can never do, but I seem to ace first try. Yee.
Oh, by the way, we only record together when we're actually when we can actually get each other's voices on audio. And
Three,
the reason why I'm recording this video and not Kitty here is because
My audio is horrible.
her microphone isn't that good.
Microphone, I just record straight off the bat. Like, I just use Mobizen as my recording audio.
Yeah, her
didn't-
microphone, as in the thing
Whee!
that... Hey, you pushed me!
You
Pushed me!
pushed me! I guess we're even. How dare you? No! Hi. You pushed me.
Just wait for the
Again.
speed run.
Oh no! I see it across. Hello from the other side.
No, we're not starting the comments up with memes.
Basuki! I have to fill the comments with memes. Do you know the way? Think of more memes. Think of more memes.
And the comments better not just be you making memes.
Achan!
No.
Connect 4. I can't think of any.
I can think of loads.
Like.
Not being said.
Come on, don't be a party pooper. That's it, I'm skipping these fences. How dare you? I'm coming down. I'm yelling timber. I'm here, and I'm a bit closer. And more uncomfortable, but I don't care. Woo! Woo! No! Yee, boy. You pushed me. You pushed me. I don't count that. I'm not counting that. You pushed me.
Sorry.
Sorry, doesn't count. You broke my dreams. Dreams have been crushed.
Sorry about all the sniffling. I've got a cold.
Oh! I think you just unconsciously made a pun. Look at what we've been standing on.
Yeah. So what?
You have a cold, it's ice. No!
No, we're not having another Sans in the house. My dad is enough. And the original Sans is enough. We love Undertale.
We love Undertale, more like everybody loves Undertale. Nobody can not love
Half of the people at my school didn't even know what Undertale is.
That's kind of like where I live. Barely anyone knows who Aphmau is. YouTube, Aphmau.
I think I only found like one other person in the school who knows Aphmau.
Same!
Without me telling them.
Uh-huh. My,
Yeah, skipping ice. I'm skipping the ice.
Oh, you can actually fall for the princes.
Really?
Yeah, I just did. It's weird. Oh no. I see the pain in the distance. I see the pain in the distance.
Oh yeah, you can fall through, because I just did.
Yeah, this sucks. Yeah.
You saw nothing.
I see everything. I am Illuminati.
No, you are not.
Illuminati confirmed. Wait, wait. Jump, jump. Whoop, whoop.
By the way, look, the speed jumps are always made by me.
Yeah, I hate
And I
them.
just failed it.
Oh, I'm on the cactus. I remember Alicia tried this and she raged so much. She almost quit until we showed her the ending when she relogged. And it was quite funny.
Let's just say raging runs in in friends.
And family. Give me a sec. Hang on. 3, 2, 1, taco. I hate this world. I hate life. I hate everything. Why me? Whoops. I accidentally broke one.
Replace it.
I am. I'm getting the sunlight. There we go.
Good girl.
I'm not a doggy. Oh no. Should we show where something is in this video?
Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna just do my trick and jump through everything.
No, it didn't work.
It works for me. Well, I'm gonna leave you.
I found these blocks and they're now my favourite. Not just because of the speed. It's... Ah! I went off the edge. It's also because of the light that they produce.
Yeah. Whee! Oh. I'm waiting for you at the next checkpoint. You're really bad at the jumping trick, aren't you? It's funny to see you from your screen. Cheater. I saw that.
Screw
I saw
you.
that on your screen. I saw that.
Who cares? You got no evidence.
I have evidence to the video you're making.
You have no evidence.
I have evidence to the video you're making.
I'm allowed to skip this part of the jumps because I can't stand on the leaves.
Where I can, and which is so confusing. I don't care. This
Well,
is my
I
bit.
can't jump onto them, but for some reason if I fly on top of them, it'll let me stay.
I'm gonna do the 2 bit. No, and this is the bit I made, by the way.
I told him that after every checkpoint it changes.
How did I manage to get on top of this yellow tree? I wonder how.
They're flying.
No.
Nyan cat!
This is my bit, but Abigail did the speedrun mini bit. But I built the Nyan kit.
I'll show them the Nyan. Nyan cat in a second.
Nyan, 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 ni hayo nyan. Go desu dero desu ni hai ja. And then there's my precious honey fountain.
This guy is obsessed with honey.
We wait until you see the build battle map.
Yeah, we're not doing that one.
Yes, we are.
No, we're
I
not.
just spawned a bunch of bees on it, and I have my own honey fountain. Shall I read the sign?
Yeah.
If you have fun, leave a comment on the build on what you thought. Did you find the hidden item?
And we can show you guys where that is, unless you want to be good people and skip this part.
Don't skip it, trust me, it's annoying. Unless you do the jumpy trick like me, I don't think you'll ever find it. Because when I did it, I landed here once, and then I saw it. And it says, congratulations, you found the hidden item. Only take one, and inside, if I can open it,
And little horns.
there's horns that you can take. Oh look, if you actually make it from there, you can skip the mini speedrun bit in the bottom, and just jump through it.
Yeah, that's cheating.
Yeah, but it's technically a part of the map. Whee!
But it's still cheating.
Cheating is for losers. Unless you're me, then it's brilliant and I love it.
Anyway, I've already got to my limit, so we better end this now.
Alright,
Do you want to do your outro, or should I do mine?
I'll do mine. So, farewell, Abigail's fellow followers. And hope we see each other next time. And let's just say goodbye.
Okay, everyone, if you like the video, don't forget to leave comments and suggestions down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become one of the wolf pack. Bye, my little wolf pups.
Whoop!